Welcome back to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to view incomplete timesheets in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. From the side navigation panel, click on the Timesheet menu, and then select the Incomplete Timesheet submenu. This will open a new page displaying the list of users who have incomplete timesheets. The data will be shown in a tabular format under columns such as name, designation, and days on which the timesheet is incomplete. This view helps you quickly identify which team members need to complete their timesheets and the specific dates that are pending. You can use the available filter options to narrow down the list based on your requirements. You also have the option to export the list for reporting or record-keeping purposes. That's it. You now know how to view incomplete timesheets in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.